This is a 2005 Mercedes Benz S280, and I am demonstrating on this video an easy way to find the chassis number, the fin plate, and the engine number. So in this car, the chassis number is not easy to get, but in this video I'm showing you an easy way to locate it. So in this car, the chassis number is located on the right hand side rear passenger seat below the fuse box. So on the rear passenger seat below the fuse box is where you can see it. So here in the video, as you can see, you remove that fuse box, and there you go. That is the chassis number you're seeing. While the fin plate is located on the driver's door pillar. So on the driver door pillar is that is it. This is where you can see that's the fin plate. Let me show you now the engine number. Let me open it from here. Here you go. So the engine number is located on the left hand side, rear side on the engine block. Kindly follow the video keenly so as to get it. So on the left hand side, rear side on the engine block, there you go. This way you can see the engine number.